Yeah, Sunday the 16th of May, I guess. Starting to get hot down here. Sun pretty intense, so we're back to Western straw hat time. Keeps the sun off my head to a point. Over the decades, I've tried all different brands of hats. This is a Stetson. I've had this one about 3 years now. It does pretty good. You want to get a leather hat band. Vinyl hat band is hard on your skin and your head. Doesn't absorb sweat. You could get some chafing, other sorted issues. This little doodad over here is called a hat stretcher. Okay, can also be used to retain the size. Now, drawback on leather: when it gets wet, it stretches. When it dries, it will shrink. Much smaller than what it was supposed to be when it started. So what do? If you forget to put in your stretcher to maintain the size, and it shrinks up on you, it's real simple. Pour some water on it, shake the water back out, install your, it's actually a band stretcher is what it's called. Install your band stretcher, give yourself a little bit of room. Life is wonderful. I think this thing was, I don't know, 100.5. I really don't remember, but it lasts a very long time. You can buy the little cheap Walmart hats. They're basically throwaways. Mexico makes a hat. Sometimes you find a decent one with a leather hat band. Problem with the Mexican hats is it's a very rough inner finish when they assemble them, and it has some high and low spots. Kind of hurts my head. I don't like to splurge on anything, but if I'm going to wear something, I want it to be comfortable. So I do like my Stetson. Anyway, leather hat band stretcher or maintainer, Amazon. You can buy them at it's actually called a haberdashery. It's a hat shop, or Western wear stores carry them, or you can get it on Amazon or eBay. I think I got this one on Amazon for 17 bucks delivered. So anyway, just a little short one. I kind of rested today. I've been working many days in a row, and it's time to take a little bit of a break. That's all for this one. Thank you.